This video is sponsored by Scentbird. Tiff, Benson here. Welcome back to my channel. You found yourself in the place to be to help you find fragrances that you love. Today's video is going to be all about the ultimate guide to gifting fragrance this holiday season with Scentbird. We partnered up together because the holiday season is upon us, and there is nothing like giving the gift of fragrance unwrapped. In this video, we'll talk about the perfect gift for every person, gift sets, gift subscriptions, gifts under $50, digital gift cards, and we'll also be doing an amazing giveaway. Scentbird was generous enough to partner up and do a sponsored giveaway. One lucky subscriber will be receiving this gift set right here from Juliet Has a Gun. We're about to get into it so you can see all of the juicy scents inside. So make sure to watch all the way to the end of the video if you're curious about learning how to enter for the giveaway. Before we jump into the video, each fragrance that I mention here in today's video will be linked down below in the description box should you want to learn more or discover. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you could be notified when I post a video here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first, let's talk about the perfect gift for every person. Now, I am obsessed with this gift box. It is gorgeous. It is from Juliet Has a Gun. They did a collaboration with Scentbird, and it is quite luxurious. It's limited edition. It is a holiday gift box. Very beautiful. Love the little unboxing moment we're having right here. As you open it up and see what's inside, there's also 3 different fragrances to choose from. 3 different fragrances for 3 scent personas, and we're going to jump into each one. I also really love, and I think that this is a really wonderful touch, they give you these inserts here, and I'm just going to show it to you really quick. They give you these scent cards so that you can know exactly what is inside of each bottle. They show you the outside of what the actual packaging looks like, but then on the back, on the reverse, you can actually see the notes, what the fragrance is inspired by, and more details about the fragrance. Love, love, love this. I was fortunate enough to travel abroad last week for 2 weeks, and I took these fragrances with me. So let's get into each scent and their scent persona. Let's start with the middle one. This is by far my favorite. Love the chic packaging that it comes in. It is very, very nice. I love the gold accents. It's giving very much holiday. We love that here. This particular fragrance is this scent right here from Juliet Has a Gun. It is called Not a Perfume. Scent persona here is for my minimalist guys and girlies out there. If you love clean, fresh, pure, simplistic scents, you are going to be obsessed with this fragrance. The vibe that this scent gives off is less is more, and I adore it. And I have been adoring it for some time now. The notes of this fragrance, it's just one simple note. It is Cetalox, which is particularly used in fragrance as a base note. If you're someone who appreciates the beauty of simplicity and just really clean, wearable fragrances, you will adore this one. Love that they included it in this box. It's a winner through and through, cult favorite. People love the scent, and for good reason. I actually wore this fragrance a lot when I was traveling through Monaco. This was like my signature scent there. It just made me feel really clean and beautiful. Next one that we're going to take from the box will be this one right here. This is Vanilla Vibes. Here's what the actual bottle of Vanilla Vibes looks like, and here's the packaging that it comes in. Scent persona here, in my opinion, is category free spirit. Person who will enjoy Vanilla Vibes has a very relaxed, cool, calm way about them. They also love the beach or traveling to a tropical destination, possibly a hidden cove somewhere special. To me, this one is like a vacation in a bottle. Let's go through the notes. It has notes of sea salt, natural vanilla absolute, and musk. There's something about it that has like a beachy aura, if you will. If you're following me on Instagram, I talked about this. Actually, I talked about all 3 scents, but this one kind of gave me a beachy vibe, kind of like a sunscreen vibe, but better. Super wearable too. I actually wore this one when I was traveling through Italy. The story here is that when I was reaching for this scent, I was really missing Monaco, and because this has that warmth and vacation in a bottle-esque feel, this is what I reached for. The last one, which is this baby right here, this is Mmmm. Gotta love the name of this scent. Here's what the packaging for Mmmm looks like. Scent persona here is category main character energy. Spray this on if you want to smell like a whole entire snack. This is for my people who are outgoing. They love to be the center of attention. They love receiving compliments. My first impression of this fragrance was literally My boyfriend's first impression of this fragrance was, you smell like a cake. Of course, you know, me smelling like a cake is not such a bad idea. So let's get into the notes so you can understand what's giving that cake snack energy. This fragrance has notes of raspberry, neroli, vanilla, and sandalwood. I find the fragrance to be quite bold. I also think that it's super addictive. I'm a huge fan of orange blossom. I am obsessed with that note. It's probably one of my favorite notes of all time. It's very present here. There's also that raspberry note that kind of keeps it fruity and playful and bright and sort of energetic up top. Let's not get it twisted though, because there is some patchouli in the base, giving it a lot of depth and rounding the fragrance out. This scent was my signature scent, shall we say, while I was traveling through Newcastle. So Newcastle is super cold, like very, very cold, kind of dark, a little dreary. And I felt like this one was giving that playful, big energy, sort of like a pick me up, making me feel confident when I wore it, especially when I was outside. This smells amazing once it hits the cooler air outside. So I enjoyed wearing this and I enjoyed smelling like a snack. If you're curious about this particular gift box, I will be linking it down below. I think this makes for an amazing gift. See which ones you like. You have 3 different fragrances here to suit your 3 different personas. Make it what you will. Have some memories with them. Enjoy them, and let me know what you think. Continuing on with the ultimate guide to gifting fragrance, I believe that gift sets are a phenomenal way to give the gift of fragrance this holiday season. We just talked about this one from Juliet Has in collaboration with Scentbird, but there are other gift sets on their website as well. Definitely check them out. There are big ones, there are small ones, there's limited edition ones, and experience the fragrances in a non-committal way at an affordable price. It just makes sense. Next up on the ultimate guide to gifting fragrance this holiday season is the gift of a subscription. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription-based service where each month you can receive one of these vials of fragrance delivered directly to your doorstep so that you can try before you buy. And I love that. This is the case that it comes in, about 120 sprays of fragrance, and I think that they make an excellent gift. So as I was going through their holiday section, I saw that you can gift a subscription of 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months, which I think is so incredible. The subscription is a fabulous choice and a really good way to go. Personally, I love seeing a holiday gift guide that falls into a reasonable price range, and Scentbird has got us covered. As I was checking through their site, I saw that they have gifts for under $50, and I am obsessed with this category. There are candles, there's diffusers, there's fragrance, there's also gift sets in there as well. That $50 and under price point is great for shopping fragrance in a really affordable way. Last but not least, on the ultimate guide to gifting fragrance this holiday season is one of my personal favorites, and that is a digital gift card. Let's face it, shopping for fragrance can sometimes be tough. So Scentbird makes it really easy for you to give a digital gift card. All you have to do is type in their name, the person receiving the gift, their email. You can also write in a personal message, and the digital gift card will be delivered right to their inbox. We love that. Okay, now on to our favorite part, which is going to be this gift set giveaway. One lucky subscriber will be receiving this Juliet Has Scentbird collaboration holiday gift set box. You'll receive 3 different fragrances inside, not a perfume, and vanilla vibes. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, the Tiff Benson channel, and also subscribe to Scentbird's channel. There will be a link down below in the description for you to fill out an entry form. You're gonna wanna do that right now. Then for bonus entries, you can follow both myself, Tiff Benson, and Scentbird on TikTok and Instagram. The winner will be chosen at random and notified via email. So, did you enjoy this video? If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up right now. Also, the conversation continues over at tiffbenson.com. I will leave a link in the description for you to sign up to my weekly newsletter. Thank you to the sponsors of this video, Scentbird. I love you forever. Don't forget to watch what's up next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.